Hiya, Grover. What all this stuff here?
These are delicious and nutritious fruits and vegetables. Very fresh. I picked them this morning.
Me heard about these fruits and vegetables. Yeah, they supposed to be very good for you. So me here. But how me choose what to eat?
It is simple. All you have to do is eat your colors.
Me colors? Sounds tricky.
Oh, it is not tricky at all. It is fun. We will show you. You need to put one food in each bin that is the same color. So put a red food in the red bin and a purple food in the purple bin. Go ahead, click on a food. Strawberries. They are red and juicy, and there are so many ways you can eat them. You can put them on cereal or yogurt, or you can just put them in a bowl and eat them up. We did it! See, Cookie Monster? There is a red food, an orange food, a white food, a green food, and a purple food. See if you can eat 5 different colors every day.
This stuff good for Monster? Then me know what to do. Eat healthy! Nom nom nom. Oh yeah, nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Ah, me feel healthier already. Brr. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, what is this? Aha! A delectable baked good. This one on the house.
You sure about this? Me told you me trying to eat healthy stuff.
You can be healthy and still have a cookie sometimes.
Okay. Me think sometimes is right now. Cookie! Nom nom. Oh yeah. Nom nom yeah. Nom 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 nom.
Now do you understand how to eat your colors?
Me not sure. No, show me again.
Please, help Cookie Monster. No, I am sorry, but that food does not belong in that bin. Try again.